Hello and welcome. Today I'm super excited for someone out there because they get to win this. So I'm going to go check. I'm using a little app called Gleam that picks a random winner out of everybody that entered the contest. So I'm going to go do that right now. So congratulations. I've sent you off an email, so check your email and I will get this off to you. Thanks to everybody who entered the contest, but I want to give away something else because I had so much fun doing this. I want to give away the Reflexology Foot Charts collection along with Balancing Touch's foot chart. And I'm going to be using Gleam as well because it's just a simple app, and again it just picks a random winner and it's just easy to use. So that's what it is. So again, the Foot Charts collection, I'll just show it to you so those of you who are not familiar with it. It's a set of 10 anatomical reflexology charts, and I have this one open, so I'll just show it to you really quick. So we have the skeletal system. You can see all the bones, how they line up on the feet there, and then it goes just system by system. So we have the digestive system next, we have the urinary system, we have the respiratory system, endocrine system, circulatory system, nervous system, lymphatic system, reproductive system, and the muscular system. And then along with this giveaway, you will get Reflexology, the Balancing Touch's foot chart, right? And I find these really great. They're all printed on Synapse paper, so they're really durable. I just love this type of paper. Snaps back. And if you get a little bit of oil, because I use these to give to clients while they're getting a reflexology session, and they can play with it and stuff. So over time, they might get a little bit oily and greasy. So you can just take a warm cloth and just wipe it down, and the chart will be back to brand new. I've actually poured espresso all over these and done a bunch of other tests with them, and they're just super durable, right? And they look nice. So it's a product that I'm really proud about, and so I'm so excited to be able to offer all these 10 charts plus this one as a giveaway, and excited for the winner. So again, same thing, in the description below there will be a link and you can click on that and enter to win them, hopefully. So that's all I have for today. Congratulations to the winner. And if this is a channel that you're into, I talk about reflexology topics and tips and tricks, and apparently I do giveaways now. Anyway, Adam from Balancing Touch, have a fantastic day and go win these. Bye-bye.